Alright guys, welcome to Pop Out Cipher. This is part 2 of WhatsApp with no coding. Just AI doing everything. Right away from where we stopped yesterday, we are going to create an account, login from where we stopped yesterday. At this point, I noticed that when the user signs up, his details are not yet added to the database, so I had to give that prompt to Lovable to fix it right away. Alright, so this is me checking out the database to see if any users were added to it. Well, I don't think any user was added to it. Or users were actually added to it, but the main user that was supposed to use and log in hasn't been added yet. At this point, we're going to log in immediately. Sign up. So we're going to sign up now and just go through the normal process of going to temp mail to get a temporary email address, and we'll fill it up as the code name and email, and then the password and the confirm password, and processing. Access denied. For access denied, we have to go to complaint to Lovable right away because we're not the one doing the coding. So right away, I actually remembered that Superbase usually sends an authentication message to the email, so you just go to your temp mail to go and check out the email and confirm your email address, and I'm really sure that it will proceed to the right, redirected to the chat screen. And as you can see, it's more like WhatsApp. We have to change that because it's not WhatsApp, it has to be a hacking platform and all that. So I'm gonna write a prompt that part of the video was skipped because for some reason the recording application called it out by a mistake. So I'm gonna write the whole prompt I wrote there in the description, and if you wanna check it out, you can check it out, and it's what made that screen be like that and remove the contact and all that. So it's going to be in the description of this video. So as you can see, this is the database, and here are some users that I added to the database, and here is the platform for chatting. So this is the prompt I was referring of, and I'm going to be typing it now. Okay, I'm also going to tell you to apply changes for the SQL code that you wrote, because I have reviewed it and it is actually good. In order for this video not to be extensively long, I'm going to cut out this part where I write a very long prompt, and the prompt is going to be in the description. So I'll see you when Lovable answers. Right now Lovable is working on it and it's going to give us answer in a few minutes. So here are some things I actually wrote in the prompt. This family groups has to be removed, and the identity profile, the identity page had to be worked on because not much things needed to be there, since it's not a totally secure platform and there are different kind of hackers that are going to be on it. So you need to be secured for yourself and your information doesn't have to be there. So the security protocols tab, I totally removed it. The secure line, I totally removed it. All that was there was the temporary email and code name and status message is what I left. At this time, Lovable is working on the answers. So I didn't even see that you could create groups, although I told you to also redo that and so people can create their own network and all of that. Now Lovable has answered. As you can see, Lovable actually writes code, and here's the code that it has written for all of this. You can see that it actually does the coding for you. It doesn't just go somewhere and create something. It does the coding, on which you can copy this code and work on it yourself too. You can link this to your GitHub, which I'll be showing towards the ending of the video. Now this is what it looks like, but this is not what I wanted still, so you have to keep expressing yourself to Lovable. Yeah, I did the network and it can create new network. If you read the prompt in the description, you would understand what I'm saying right now. So I told Lovable that in the network page that everybody who registers on this platform should automatically be part of a group named Cipher Nation, like which the groups, instead of us to call it groups, we're calling it the network, so you should understand. I also told you to change these in the founder page about the name there and all that, but it didn't do that, so it rather did it in the identity page, which wasn't what I asked. I guess I didn't describe that well, so I'm going to tell you to also fix that. I did a screenshot. I wanted to upload the image to Lovable so I can show you what I did. I wanted exactly, but I didn't even do that. I preferred writing. But yeah, look at the down there in the search bar or in the typing bar where you can chat with the AI. You can attach an image right there. I actually wrote another long prompt, and I'm going to also add that in the description so you can follow up properly. And I don't want the video to be too bulky, so I'm going to cut this out. Right now Lovable is working and it's going to answer in a few seconds. Alright, Lovable has answered, and let's see what it did. If you read the description, you will see I told it to add an email address that the person used in registering, so you're supposed to get that from the database. But Lovable messed up and it didn't properly fix it up, and it's not getting information from the database. It's just opening up the platform, which is not supposed to be like that. I thought that we should just log in with the account we created before to see if the changes are made also. Let's just see what's happening. Logged into that account and I found out that the changes I wanted to be made were not made. Right? Yep. The changes I wanted to be made were not made in that account, so I had to tell Lovable I had to go back, and I'm gonna tell Lovable to fix it properly. So guys, at this point the video is probably getting too long and it's going to be continuing in the next part. Please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to this channel to see more on cybersecurity, computer science and all in tech. So guys, quickly I'm going to be showing you how to connect your GitHub to your Lovable project. So quickly, there's a GitHub logo at the top right. Now you hit connect GitHub and you just follow whatever it tells you. I've already done it before, so you're just gonna ask if I want to connect this project and all of those stuff, and it's gonna be connected. So I'm just gonna click connect project right now and wait for it to finish. And I'm gonna click that button and I'm gonna hit continue. So it's like permission to connect my project to my GitHub, so I can actually go to the GitHub to view it and all that, and which I'm gonna do, view on GitHub. And I'll just sign in right away. Please don't forget to like, share this video, subscribe, and stay updated. Hit the notification bell to see more from this channel, more from what we bring to you about tech. If you want to clone this, the link is in the description.